Does your athlete look like a frog in their back handsprings? Oh, my wrist just fell off, bro. Does your athlete have their feet further apart in their back handspring than in their toe touch? Does your athlete bend their legs and pull their feet apart in their back handspring? This video was created for you. I have my two beautiful helpers here today, and I am going to show you how you can keep your legs straight. So I need both of you, put a foot out for me. Yep, just like that. I need you to point your toe as hard as you can. Yep, your toe's nice and pointed. Now squeeze your quad as hard as you can. While squeezing your quads and pointing your toes, attempt to bend your knee.
I can't.
Wow. So when you squeeze your quads and point your toes, your knee doesn't bend. All right, so let's address these feet apart. First, let me give you a little bit of background about me. I grew up in the 90s, back when spankings and things of the sort took place on a regular basis. Back in the day when I used to have the toe touch back handsprings, what my coach did, she took some duct tape, put the duct tape around my ankles, and then she also put the duct tape around my knees. To this day, if I do a back handspring and my legs come apart, I can feel the hair being ripped out of my leg. But since it is now 2020, we are not gonna torture these children. So we are gonna use a cool piece of equipment, a rubber band. So we have our lovely assistants in here again today. We're gonna have them just take a seat. Yep, and then they're gonna put your band around their feet. Yep, boom, boom. And yep, loop this one. Let's go both. Yes, chicken. Yeah. Beautiful. If you do not have one of these bands at home, what you could also do, you could just have your athlete tie their shoes together. Luckily today for these two, they have their bands. So then we will have them stand up. And let's watch these beautiful legs in their handsprings. I would say that they are related and their legs are together, bro. That's because they can't come apart if they're tied. So if you have an athlete struggling with some funky back handsprings, here are two great exercises for you. It's the Tumble Doctor. You know what time it is. Let us eat.